Hi there! Welcome to Matuto with Teacher Brian.
Hi po, ay papasok. Kasi nakapag-share ang tawag natin,
Ang number naman sa baba,
Harry Potter. Yan. Tapi, merong naalala.
meron kasi iba't ibang uri ng number.
Hi there, welcome to our second video about the normal curve. So in this video, we're going to tackle about the areas under the normal curve. So in this topic, magkakaroon tayo ng iba't ibang division kasi may iba't ibang type on how to locate our areas under the normal curve. So tune in kayo kasi may mga iba't iba pang mga videos that could help you in finding the areas under the normal curve. So let's start with this. Okay, so we'll talk about this graph. So as you can see in the graph, bukod sa meron tayong mean and standard deviation, meron tayong mga percentage na nandiyan. Those percentage ay tinatawag nating areas under the normal curve. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, I was looking for the area of the curve or under the normal curve, no, one standard deviation above the mean. So ito 'yon. Hahanapin niyo yung 1 kasi 1 standard deviation eh. So etong 1 na to, so titingnan niyo kung anong area yung nakapaloob sa kanya. That is 34.1%. So as easy as that. Ganun din halimbawa kapag tinanong ko naman, ano ang area from 1 standard deviation to 2 standard deviation above the mean. So pag sinabi kong above, you're going to look at the right side of the normal curve. So ganun lang siya kadali. However, if it becomes decimal, for example, can you find the area of the normal curve between 0 and 1.5? So, dito sa ating standard areas na nakalagay dito, hindi natin siya kagad makikita. Kasi 1.5, it's decimal. Kaya papasok yung tinatawag nating table of areas under the normal curve. It looks like this. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin na table for the rest of our lesson. And we'll start with an example. No, the area between 0 and a score. Alright, kasi meron tong iba't ibang types. The first type of problem that you could meet someday is finding the area between 0 and a score. So let's look into that. So for example, the problem is find the area between 0 and 1.54. Okay, so the first thing that you must do is to draw the curve. So, hanapin ninyo kung nasaan yung mga points na yun. Just like how to look for a certain point in a Cartesian plane. Okay? So, makikita natin yan. It could be there. Okay? By rough sketching. So, makikita natin na pwedeng nandun yung 1.54. And since we're looking for the area between 0 and 1.54, so we can shade that part. Okay? So yung red shades na yon, that is what we are looking for. Ano yung area nun? Okay? Ilan ang or what value ang magiging responsible for that certain area? Okay? Let's find out. And in order to do that, tignan nyo yung 1.54. Hahanapin natin siya sa table. Paano maghanap or gamitin ang standard normal table? Simple lang. Yung 1.54 na yun, paghihiwalayin natin siya. Gagawin natin siyang 1.50 plus 0.04. Para saan yun? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na columns and rows doon sa ating standard normal table. Alright? So, hahanapin natin sila from both sides. Okay? Tingnan nyo yung 1.5 or 1.50. Dito natin siya hahanapin sa mga rows. Okay? So, in this particular part, hahanapin natin si 1.5. Nasaan siya? Andun siya. Okay? So, keep muna natin si 1.5. Hayaan nyo muna siya dyan. Now, we will look for 0.04. Nasaan si 0.04? Nandoon po siya sa may linyahan ng mga columns, no? The column headers. So, hanapin natin si 0.04. Ayan. Pag nahanap nyo na yung dalawang values na yan, you are going to look for the intersection of these two particular numbers. Nasaan siya? Ayun siya. Okay? The intersection is 0.4382. Okay? So, therefore, the area between z equals 0 and z is equal to 1.54 is 0.4382. Ang dali lang, di ba? So, let's move on to the second example para mas masanay. Now, let's try to find the area between 0 and 2.54. So, simple lang. Unang-unang dapat gawin is to draw the curve. Okay? So, in drawing the curve, hanapin nyo si 2.54 and then tignan ninyo ano ba yung area na hinahanap natin. It's between 0 and that certain point. Okay? And then, shade that part para mas maging malinaw sa inyo na yung shaded part ang hinahanap nating area. Alright? So, again, yung 2.54, paghihiwalayin lang natin siya. Magiging 2.50 plus 0.04. Then, we look for the 2.50 on the raw side, no? The raw headers. So, we have now 2.5. There you go. And then, we have 0.04. There you go. And then, get the intersection to find our area. And it reveals that the area is 0.4945. Okay? So, napakadali lang, di ba? So, let's have another example. But, this time, we're going to have the area between two different scores. Kanina, ang ginawa natin ay area between 0 and a certain score. Ngayon naman, dalawang different scores. And to further discuss those examples, you may now go to the next video. So, see ya!